destroying the house inside. We can hear us banging. We just came out here because I was afraid she would hit us.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out or force will be used against you. Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
Let it go! Let it go! I will get in my f***ing self, you dumb rookie.
On May 2nd, 2025, officers responded to a protection order violation involving family crisis and mental health elements. This case presents critical legal issues: protection order enforcement, tactical resource deployment, and use of force standards. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers had clear probable cause: forced entry violating a valid court order, property destruction, and specific threats. Protection orders require 3 elements for violation: valid order in effect, defendant's knowledge, and breach of specific terms. All 3 elements were established here. The order was served months earlier, the forced entry was witnessed, and threats were documented.
Lacey's still inside?
He's destroying the house inside. We can hear us banging. We just came out here because I was afraid she would hit us.
Okay. So she's just throwing stuff around and breaking it?
I'm too afraid to go.
Sorry, he's friendly.
He's afraid. I was too afraid to look, to be honest. I could just hear her throwing stuff around.
Oh, gotcha. All right. And has she violated the order in the past?
No, she's been pretty good, but she was living in a sober living house, but then she got kicked out of there, and we're not sure what. The story's really sketchy from there, and I don't know what she's been up to. We got her a hotel to stay at for a while because she couldn't stay here, and then I don't know.
1132 PC order violation.
She showed up and asked if she could take a shower, but it didn't matter, and she just pushed her way through the door, and I'm too small for her.
Are you willing to provide a recorded statement?
No.
Okay. Where is she at right now? I can hear her. Is she in that living room right there?
Could be.
Does she know that? Does she know that?
I kept telling her I'm gonna call the police.
Okay, so she does know that the police are coming.
She doesn't know that we've called.
She doesn't know that we've called. No.
And nobody's inside?
No.
Okay.
Is there a door on the back side? It's on the back
That's
side?
the front of the house is in the back.
Okay.
We'll go to the front if you just want to hang back here.
I'll just watch this. You guys hang out there. Make sure you get solid PC. Figure out if it's misdemeanor, felony. And once we get more people here, we'll just work on getting her in custody.
Hands on TL? Does that work?
No, once more people get here, I'm going to rotate out and take over the dog side of it.
Okay, sounds good.
He was destroying the bathroom, so we just kind of sat there for a minute, and we both decided let's just go downstairs together. That's about when we closed her eyes.
Does she have access to the lock safe where the guns are at?
No. It's a safe lock.
Yes.
It's okay. Yes. So no, she can't.
Okay. Is this a felony?
Not so far.
Oh, wow.
Or did you hear a record say something?
No, it's just we're getting SWAT out for this.
Yeah, I think it's just because it's the gun element.
Okay.
I probably wouldn't have done that either.
That's crazy.
So, at any point, did she assault either one of you?
No. She's on something. I don't know what. So I just hit record. She started saying, "You don't love me." She just started screaming all kinds of stuff that didn't even make sense. You could hear the recording. It doesn't make sense.
I remember this place.
I served the order.
Did you?
I was driving here. I was like, man, this looks real familiar for some reason.
Nice area.
Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
Do you have her phone number, Wu?
No, that's why I said somebody should try to get her phone number and just call her to tell her to come outside.
That's what they're trying to do
Probably
now.
the first thing that.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out or force will be used against you. Police officers, Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door.
She didn't make any threats to harm you.
Oh, she did.
She did. What did she say?
I think she said, "I'll f*** you up." She called me a. She said,
Okay.
I'll come get you." I don't know. It just was so many things.
Besides,
at once that
besides her saying that she was going to you up, did she explain why? Explain how? Did she come at you at all?
no, she was still in the bathroom. Just like the door was shut. This door was shut between us as she was yelling this, and I just stayed away.
So she just said that though, like
Yeah.
she didn't come out, she didn't come at you, she didn't display any weapons. Okay.
Lacey, the Federal Way Police Department. We know you are inside. You are under arrest. We need you to come out the front of the house with your hands up.
Lacey, you're under arrest. Come out through the front door or force will be used against you.
But hey, real talk, Tommy, right? So let's try to, hey, you can look at the stuff and not look at me. So look down. There you go. Okay. It's not rude. I won't be offended. Let's try the soft touch of negotiation. So we've given the hard, hey, you're under arrest. We've covered ourselves legally. Let's give a little like, hey, Lacey, we're just trying to get your side of the story. Come out and talk to us. Like, we're just trying to make sure you're safe and that your parents are safe. See if we can schmooze her that way and try some other de-escalation-atory things.
Lacey, we just want to talk.
Like a calming voice.
Yeah.
You have one of those?
Come out. We just want to make sure everyone is safe.
That's as calming as Tommy gets.
A couple more rounds of PAs. The BP tried the phone call a couple times. A little bit more professional negotiation from the outside. If not, then breach and hold on the front. Yell in there a whole bunch more, and then slow and deliberate till we get her.
We got a dog.
Yeah, is he good with biting her?
Yep. Oh, there she is. Hey, Lacey! Hey, just open the door so you can hear us. Just so we can talk. I can't hear you. Can you open the door? I can't hear you. Hey, just open the door so I can hear you. Hey, Lacey, just open the door for us so we can hear you. I'm trying to hear you. All right, here she comes. 803. Where is it? Oh, okay. Just slide the door open for me so I can hear you.
We have a clear shot from behind the bushes, so if she steps out, we're gonna just tase her, I think.
I think the way cops are what?
You're gonna get tased.
When my mom's gonna fucking pump you still?
Go, go, go. Go.
She's back in.
No, here. Just back off. She's back inside with the door closed.
I got one.
Okay.
She's sitting or overtly non-compliant. Officers are just going to pounce on her. If she starts to retreat further, we're going to send her out. So let's try to clear our way to the stairs. Just going to clear to the stairs.
What about just going in the slider up there? Just coming inside. Like on top of the one we got eyes on.
Level 1 upstairs slider. See if that's open, if that might be more direct.
Him standing up now at the front door, pressed against it.
Okay. We're moving.
My mom likes to fuck. I'm sorry, did you hear that? Oh!
Lacey, show your hands or you're gonna get bit. Can you get around that side and just go straight on her? Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. Lay down on the ground. There you go. Just stay right there. If you move, you're gonna get bit.
Wait, can I tell you what I did?
Stand up first. Stand up.
Let me stand you up.
1, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I love man.
Front door.
Tammy, you don't know what a real is, little snitch ass little bitch. Yeah, that's right, Tammy. What's up? Why?
Want your stance real quick?
Why?
Oh, don't do that.
Why?
Don't do that.
Why?
I got it. Okay.
Why? Because I like your haircut.
Can I put her in here?
Shut up, fool!
Here we go, right behind you.
Tammy!
Go all the way back here.
Tammy! Come on! I'm sorry I didn't hear you speak.
Alright?
Yeah, because you're a dumbass little.
You are okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Tristan, let him do it. Tell her what you're doing. Back your hands.
I'm sorry. My stepdad just told me to act because I'm not rushing. Wait.
Listen, you need to comply or your shoulders are going to get hurt, okay?
Why?
Tell her what you're doing. We don't want to hurt your shoulders.
I don't like you.
Okay. You need to hold still for the officers, okay, so they can check you.
Okay.
It's all figured out. That's a probe.
I don't like you.
I think Austin
You're
said
long.
one or two. Hey guys, you gotta keep better control of her than that. You cannot let her walk around like that, okay? We're gonna stay right here, Lacey. You're not gonna move till we finish the search. Don't move. Yep.
Tammy, you dumb.
Lacey, calm down.
I hate you, huh?
Lacey, keep your face back.
Dumb.
Hey, Lacey.
You don't know what a dumb is, do
Everything's being
you?
recorded, okay, Lacey?
You bitch. I don't like you.
Tommy, you done? Hey, Tommy. Make sure you do good search, okay? We're not in a hurry.
Tammy!
Take my spot so I can help you.
Gorilla Glue.
The SWAT callout decision reflects sound risk assessment, barricaded subject, demonstrated violence, possible substance influence, and firearms on premises. Critics may question tactical resources for a misdemeanor, but officer safety doctrine examines totality of circumstances, not charge classification. The patient approach containment, communication, coordination exemplifies modern de-escalation doctrine when time permits. Graham versus Connor establishes that force must be objectively reasonable from an officer's perspective at the moment of decision. The hands-on control techniques used here fall at the low end of the force continuum, proportional to active resistance encountered. Officers maintain professionalism despite verbal abuse and physical resistance, a critical element in constitutional policing. The documentation process matters. Detailed victim statements, photographed damage, and recorded evidence create prosecutable cases.
Okay. Are we good? I think we're good. Okay, that's good.
Tammy! Sorry,
We need
not
to put her
you!
in a car.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine. Should we double lock, you guys?
Yeah, she's double
Great. Sit down, please, Lacey. Use your words.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay.
Hey, face away from me, Lacey.
Okay.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back, Lacey.
Yes, sir.
Pull her out.
Okay.
Okay, then you gotta pull her out.
Fuck, why are you so sexy?
Come on out, Lacey.
Don't get it.
Keep her against the car. Lacey, we have to get you. Lacey, stop.
Okay. Okay.
Lacey, stay where you are, okay?
Okay.
You just stand right there, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Come on, Steve.
Get the other one first. Relax.
I am relaxed. Tell my mom to relax.
Let's get back in. Lacey, please keep your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Just tighten the other finger. That's way too loose. That's why she got out.
I like Gorilla Glue.
Let's go.
Okay.
Lacey, put your foot down. See you against the car, Lacey. Lacey, let's stand up. Let me do it. And, nope, turn. Lacey, stop.
Okay.
You need to sit down, okay?
Okay, fine. Fuck. Jesus, asshole. Okay.
We're going to put her in this one.
Oh.
Don't spit, please. Yep.
We're going to go in this one so we can pull it through. Hey, Lacey, get in the car.
Okay, well, let me. You
Step in the car.
Oh, dude.
One step.
Thank you.
Put in.
Okay. Let it go. Let it go. I will get in my fucking self, you dumb rookie.
One step in.
Just let them. They're just mad. They're just mad, Rogers. Ah!
Stop.
Sorry.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I got some.
So all these photos that I just took are going to get uploaded into the case, and that way it's all documented that way, okay? And then the lead investigating officer, I'm sure, will be in contact with you guys regarding kind of what's next at this point.
Okay. So as far as right now, did she go to jail or the hospital?
Actually, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
But I'm not sure because I just got here.
Yeah. Well,
so,
I saw the ambulance, but I never saw her load up. So.
Yeah, I'm assuming jail.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions for me before I go?
No,
all right.
Appreciate it.
All right. I'm sorry this happens. Beautiful home though. Congratulations on retirement. I heard that you recently retired.
Yeah.
Now for the grades. Officers receive B+, legally sound, tactically appropriate, professionally executed. Minor coordination issues during vehicle placement prevent a perfect score, but this represents competent modern policing. The subject receives D. While crisis and possible substance influence warrant compassion, choices at each juncture worsened outcomes. Forced entry, property destruction, threats, refusal to surrender, and active resistance all demonstrated poor judgment. Parents receive A. Obtaining the order, enforcing boundaries, providing detailed information, and participating in prosecution. These painful decisions may ultimately serve as intervention, leading to treatment rather than enabling continued destructive behavior. Key lessons learned. First, protection orders only work when enforced. Legal tools require follow-through to be effective. Second, tactical patience when time allows reduces risk for everyone. Slow response often produces safer outcomes than rushed action. Third, mental health crisis does not eliminate accountability. Compassion and consequences can coexist in appropriate intervention. Fourth, documentation wins cases. Thorough evidence collection transforms witnessed events into provable criminal charges. Fifth, force must match resistance. Officers used minimum necessary control techniques, never escalating beyond the subject's resistance level. For law enforcement, risk assessment drives resource allocation. Individual factors may seem minor, but combined create high-risk profiles. For citizens, court orders carry legal weight. Violations produce criminal consequences regardless of relationship or motivation. For families, enforcing boundaries through legal means, though painful, may be the most loving intervention during crisis. This case illustrates the intersection of family law, criminal law, mental health response, and tactical policing doctrine. Protection order violations average over 1 million annually nationwide. Enforcement consistency determines their effectiveness as safety tools. The outcome here, arrest and prosecution, creates accountability and potential treatment pathway that enabling would never achieve. Final analysis. Legally justified under Fourth Amendment probable cause, tactically sound under officer safety doctrine. Force application met Graham standard objectively reasonable from officer perspective given active resistance to lawful arrest. The charges filed protection order violation, criminal damage, resisting arrest directly correlate to documented actions. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Law, for more police interaction and courtroom content.